Foods in danger of extinction within 65 years. Food science is a fascinating field of study. Scientists and engineers can look back to see what we ate in the past and see into the future. They can ascertain the foods that are healthy, red onions per the latest news, and the foods that may be less than optimal. Processed anything belongs on the naughty list, along with an array of snack cakes. Please support our channel, like and subscribe so we can bring more useful facts for a healthy lifestyle. Recently, Gildshire Magazines took an interest in the future, and looked at the food landscape in 20 years. What will our grandchildren's grandchildren be eating in 100 years? What foods do we take for granted? We enlisted the help of the foodies with Insider and the School of Food Science at Washington State University. We discovered significant climate change impact on dinner. Peanut butter. Persistent drought affects the peanut supply in more than one way. Farmers can plant them only in the fields that receive a specific dry season or wet season pattern. If the rains end too soon, the pods dry out and become contaminated by toxic mold. It happened 5 years ago, and the price of peanut butter rose 40%. The effects of climate change threaten to make the problem far worse for those who like a nice PB&J. When will peanut butter cease to be a thing? Scientists say that day may come sooner than we can imagine. Spoon University estimates 2030 as the year of reckoning for peanuts, as well as their buttery offspring. Most domestic peanuts are raised in some of the United States' most drought-ridden states: Georgia, South Carolina, and Alabama, to name a few. Avocados. Do you want to know a fun foods fact about avocados? It takes 72 gallons of water to grow 2 medium-sized avocados. Actually, that is a fun fact that may have serious consequences. Most of the world's supply of avocados are grown in Mexico and California. This year, abundant rain has fallen in California, but climatologists warn that California and points south are in a drought-abundant climate zone when we look into the future. So, how long can we expect the guacamole to flow inexpensively, or even at all? The future is slightly harder to predict with avocados than with peanuts, as avocados are hardier. That said, leading food scientists predict the demise to occur between 2050 and 2075. Your salsa and sour cream are already having separation anxiety. Chickpeas. Remember the 72 gallons of water it takes to make a couple of avocados? It takes 1,140 gallons of water to make an average can of chickpeas. The demise of the peanut and the avocado are in the future, while the end of the chickpea is already underway. Droughts across the globe have caused the worldwide production of these legumes to decline by 44%, and the percentage is accelerating. The nature of the chickpea decline is one of several canary in the coal mine scenarios cited by climatologists and climate change experts. Read the full article on Gildshire Magazines, link in the description below.